What's up, finances? It's E of ENL Finance. Sorry I've been caught up in the future growth of this portfolio. I haven't updated you all on the declared dividends we're getting so far, and as of April 15th, we're getting $18.03 in dividends, and that's only from 7 out of our 18 holdings. For those that are tuning in, this challenge, we invest $50 weekly in gaining monthly paying stocks in order to generate $1,000 in monthly dividends. In today's episode, we're going to change it up a bit and just wing it. Normally I kick things off with looking at our dividend tracker, but today we're just going to jump straight into the app and look at our portfolio live. Well, not live, because by the time you're looking at this, the market will open and the account value and stock value will change, but you get the idea. So as you guys can see, we took a beating today in the market and I love it. Anyone that's been following the channel knows I'm more happy when things go down than when they go up. So looking at the past month, I've been pretty sad because we've been on an uptrend. And today we went skyrocketing down and I couldn't help myself but smile. Now looking at our market value, we have $3,369.39. This just means that if we were to sell everything right now, this is how much we would get back. So I know the cash balance says negative $123.05, and we're only supposed to invest $50 a week. There's a reasonable explanation for this, but let's continue looking at our holdings. We finally bought the 2 shares of CLM, giving us 60 shares now. We're now 40 away from having 100 shares of this company, which would pay us $16 a month in dividends. And most of these companies, I believe, are still the same from the last time we updated. And yep, that's right. Your eyes are not playing tricks on you. We bought our first quarterly paying company, and that's AT&T. Not only that, we added PCF and gained 10 shares of ORC. We reduced our holding in GECC because now it's a quarterly paying stock and not a monthly. So we still have time to rebuild in this position as it follows a 3-6-9-12 cycle. Now touching on the $123, it's a mix of money we gained from selling the shares of GECC, our weekly budget of $50, and a little bit of extra money. It's not every day we get stocks cheaper, and once an opportunity comes, we gotta jump on it. It's hard these days being a bear in a bull market. The market is like giving me scraps here and I'm trying to have a full plate. A cheap plate, but still a full plate. So bear with me when I exceed the weekly budget and try to catch and cost average down on most of our holdings or whatever stock is cheaper at the time. Now let's look at our dividend tracker tool. We have an annual income now of $430 with a dividend yield of 12.93%. I would like to keep decreasing the overall dividend yield, not the payment of course, because having such a high dividend yield does not necessarily mean it's a good thing. It could mean a number of things, like the portfolio has many companies paying shareholders more money than the actual company can generate in order to keep investors coming, or that we have too many REITs paying over 90% of their earnings. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that we build a bad portfolio. I'm saying this to alert you, just because the dividends we receive are high doesn't mean that it'll be high forever. That's why we're becoming more flexible with our investments, using the dividends we receive to branch into large cap and mid cap companies with suitable products or a more lower dividend yield that can be maintained and slowly increased. Now, looking at the future value, which can cause heavy breathing, but right now we are looking at $1,023.22 of yearly income. Every week we continue to grow this future value, and once that reaches 12K, we will have reached our goal of creating $1,000 of monthly dividends. And at the rate that we're going to reach this goal before the 5-year mark. Speaking of yearly marks, we will make 1 year of doing this challenge May 3rd, 2021. So clap it up, guys. We're almost at that 1 year mark. Hope this video has inspired you, encouraged you, or even just put the thought that maybe I should start creating passive income. The sooner you start, the better. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you find this information useful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and set your alerts to receive more content like this one. See you guys in the next one, and remember to follow the 3 M's. Money makes money.